Hello and welcome. Apa kabar kalian? Baik? I hope so. Well, in today's video, I want to talk about Indonesian sentence structure. Well, today's topic is quite heavy, so you should be getting ready your mind's muscle first. Okay, should we start now? Let's start. Firstly, do you know how the English sentence structure is? Well, there are some types of sentence structure in English, but let's just narrow down today's topic and we'll focus on what is called simple sentence in English or kalimat dasar in Indonesian. What is simple sentence in English? Let's have a look at these. So, these are 1 to 5 types of simple sentence. First is I eat. Second is I eat the banana. Third is I eat the banana every day. Fourth is I am the banana. Well, it doesn't make any sense, but it's grammatically correct. And the last one is I am smart. So these are 5 types of simple sentence in English. But what about Indonesian? Well, basically it's quite similar. The only difference is with English, subject is always followed by a verb. But in Indonesian, it's not always the case. Subject in Indonesian could be followed by either a verb, yes, a verb, but also it could be followed by an adjective or a noun. So, let me introduce you to... Bang the drum, please. Predicate. Well, what is it? So, Indonesian subject is always followed by predicate, which could contain verb, adjective, or noun. Okay, just make it simple. Let's have a look at this. So, this is the equivalent of 5 types before in English. Let's break it down. As you see in the first formula, both English and Indonesian subject followed by verb or what we call predicate. I eat. Saya makan. I go. Saya pergi. I live. Saya tinggal. It's the same. And the second formula, again, it's the same structure, both English and Indonesian. You know, there are some languages which have different formula. For instance, in Korean, they would say, I'm sorry for my bad pronunciation, they would say something like 나는 바나나를 먹습니다. Well, literally it means I, banana, eat. So it's different formula, isn't it? But thankfully, Indonesian has the same formula as English in this second sentence. In the third sentence, again, it's the same. I think it's really helpful when you are trying to speak Indonesian. You could just translate your English sentence and no need to reconstruct it because the structure is completely the same in the third sentence. But I really want you to take note carefully for the fourth and fifth formula. You might ask, if I am banana in Indonesian is saya adalah pisang, which doesn't make any sense, but it's grammatically correct. Why don't I use adalah, which is Indonesian to be verb, in the fifth formula? So it becomes saya adalah pintar. Since in English these two sentences use the same to be verb. Well, for some of you who might don't know yet to be verb in Indonesian, you can go and check my lesson 4 video. I will put the link in the description box. Anyway, so like I have told you, in Indonesian, subject is always followed by a predicate, not a verb. So predicate, which contain maybe a verb, a noun, or an adjective in Indonesian. Okay, but to this very point, have you understood what I'm saying? Or you just, okay, go with the flow? But I believe you guys. I believe you are smart learners, aren't you? So, okay, next. So the only reason you could use this adalah in a sentence is when adalah is followed by a noun. Okay, let's have a look again at the sentence in English. So in English, is or the to be verb is followed by an adjective, that is smart or pintar in Indonesian. But in Indonesian, you can't put adalah before this adjective, before this smart, before this pintar. Why? Because if you do, it doesn't make sense. In fact, if you are saying saya adalah pintar in Indonesian, it means that you are smart, like literally. Like your name is smart. It's the same like you say, oh, you are Jeff, I am smart. Kamu adalah Jeff, saya adalah pintar. Okay. Another example, if I say, this doll is lovely, what do you think I mean here? First, you might think that this doll is lovely, which means it's a good-looking doll. Second possibility is this doll's name is lovely. You can't tell which one is which until you maybe give a question like, wait, is it the doll which is lovely or the doll's name is lovely, like literally? But in Indonesian, if you say, boneka ini adalah cantik, it means that the doll's name is cantik. The doll's name is lovely. The listener don't need to ask any further question. But if you say, boneka ini cantik, without using adalah, it means that the doll is good looking. Well, have you understood? Hopefully you have. Now let's do a practice with me. I will give you some sentences in English and you are to reconstruct the correct structure in Indonesian. The first sentence. I said, berenang saya setiap hari? No, it's... Well, correct. It's saya berenang setiap hari. Second sentence. So, is it saya adalah senang? No, it's not. But the correct sentence is... Yes, saya senang. Remember, never use adalah before an adjective. And as you see, happy here is an adjective. The last one is... What is the correct sentence? What? Say it louder, please. Yes, it is. Nama saya adalah Lovely. Okay, you don't need to translate lovely since it's a name. Okay, so how's that? Is it really messed with your head? Or it's just as clean as mud? Hopefully it's not. So if you find the information that I just gave you is useful, please give a thumbs up because it means the world to me. And consider to subscribe to this channel and also to the notification bell so you would know if I upload a new video. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.